Hello and welcome. We're About Wellness Friends. This is Mary Amber Hughes. I am walking through the doTERRA essential oils, and if you are excited about learning more about oils and want to walk through the oils with me, feel free to like this video and also subscribe so that you can stay on schedule with walking through the oils with me. Today we're going to talk about the massage blend that doTERRA has. It's called AromaTouch. It is made up of cypress, peppermint, marjoram, basil, grapefruit, and lavender. And doTERRA's blends, it being a blend means it's more than one. Obviously, I've just described that, but it's nice to know, and they tell you everything that's there. All right, there's the lavender, and this can be used neat or diluted with a carrier oil. It's going to tell us right there, okay? And this blend does not have a supplemental fact box on it, so it means it is to be used aromatically and topically. And this massage blend is one that I started using a lot when I knew I was going to be flying and I was pregnant. So what I did is, because what this blend does, let me tell you a little bit. I'm going to tell you about what it does physically, how it supports the body and what body systems. Then we'll look at aromatically, and then I'll show you, or tell you more so, and show you my roller bottle that I made with me to take on the plane. All right, so the massage blend is a great blend of those oils that I mentioned earlier. That's going to help with us. It's a great massage for the extremities. It's great massaged for relaxing properties. The basil has these properties that are very helpful for the body, that are soothing, and also is great for aches and discomforts that way. Actually, the grapefruit is also calming and has calming properties to the skin. The cypress helps to increase some circulation. The marjoram that is in it also helps with circulation, as well as it's calming to the nerves and relaxing. The lavender has been known to help balance the body and work where it's needed, and it has a very calming to the skin and to the nerves, with muscles and those occasional pains we might get in our head, or occasional pains you might get in your joints. And peppermint is also helpful at soothing the nerves and reducing, after a workout when things feel a little bit ouchy, or if you've strained something, or if you've, maybe you just need that increased circulation and support to your muscles and bones. This oil is going to help and may be effective with dealing with various problems related to respiratory system and cardiovascular system and muscles and bones, and so much more than that. It is great to have basil as a companion oil to this, to kind of bump it up a notch, if that's what you're looking to do, and or marjoram or wintergreen. So this is the AromaTouch blend. It is helpful with our lymph system, and that's why a lot of people will use it in massage. It is a part of our AromaTouch massage procedure that you can get certified for, and this blend is phenomenal in the diffuser as well. Now, when I use this, I use it topically, and I normally use it on my legs, but because for me that's where I want to keep the when your skin can get kind of puffy and water can kind of seem to hang out there, I like to rub this one on. And especially while I was pregnant, I wanted to make sure nothing like that was happening. And I think I'm going to just share. So this is just a roller bottle, okay? And this, I have my little AromaTouch. I put about 10 drops for me, and you can put as many as 20 drops. It's up to your personal preference. But I put 10 drops of the AromaTouch in the bottom of this roller bottle, and I filled the rest up with fractionated coconut oil. And then I just rolled this on my legs throughout my trip when I flew to Salt Lake City. And even before I left and flew, I would roll this on my legs in the morning when I would get up. And it just kept things circulating, and I didn't have that puffiness in my legs that I have had with other pregnancies. And so I really like that. I also know some people that will put it on because tension, this can relieve tension because of the oils in it. So some people will put that and roll that on the back of their neck as well, or on their temples near the hairline. All right. And this blend is actually emotionally helps one to relax. So this is good before getting on an airplane, or doing something stressful, or to have with you and keep with you if your occupation seems to be a little bit causing some tension to you. So AromaTouch assists the body in calming and relaxing and releasing physical tension. I am getting this information. I am not coming up with this on my own, and you always want to do your own research. So when I go to research, I found this really great book on emotions and essential oils, and you can Google and find this for yourself. So don't think I'm just making this hokey pokey stuff up. It's not hokey pokey either, because it is what most of us are experiencing when we use these oils. So emotionally, it is moves us from a stiffness of heart and mind to an openness and flexibility. This blend is soothing both to the body and the mind and offers comfort in times of grief and sorrow. Most people seek out a massage when they're tense or stressed, and through body work and the massage, we're able to help relax tight muscles. Breathing may begin to regulate, slow, and deepen, and as the body relaxes, so does the mind. As muscles release tension, the heart can reopen to life, and circulation is enhanced, as in one's ability to move with life and allow things to flow. This is the gift of AromaTouch, the ability to relax, open, and move in harmony once more with the body and with existence. So this is great inhaled from the bottle and diffused, or placed a drop in the hand and rubbed and inhaled. And you can massage 1 to 3 drops whenever emotional or physical tension is experienced. This blend is phenomenal. You can buy it in a 15 ml, and the 15 ml has 250 drops in it. This actually came from a smaller kit, like our AromaTouch diffused kit, and some of the starter kits that doTERRA offers. They actually can come in a 5 ml. Also, I think the travel kit may have AromaTouch in it as well. So you can just go to doTERRA.com, or you can just follow the link that I post below and get yourself an AromaTouch yourself. But if you have your own account, I highly recommend you go to your site, your ordering site, and put in AromaTouch, and then scroll all the way to the bottom, and you are going to see the different things that include AromaTouch and more information on AromaTouch. So if you would like to stay in touch with walking through the oils with me, feel free to subscribe to We're About Wellness Friends and like this post. I thank you so much for your time today, and I look forward to walking through the oils with you another time.